Ana Gabuyelo Masandawana. Nakuba sibhekene nalesimo esibhekene naso njengamanje, amakhosi akhona, amabhakani akhona, isikhukhuni sikhona, wonke ama-team aku-PSL akhona. Kodwa ngicela ukuthi ngingabe ngisakhala manje, ngibhekise kubafowethu bonke be-Sundowns nodadewethu nobaba noma. Ngibhekise lapha kumngani wami uTaima lapha, uTaima Hannes. Ukhona othe ebholeni siwumndeni, sengatholela ubhoti la, umfowethu manje, uTaima Hannes umfowethu. Ebusuku ngiyafona, emini ngiyafona, noma yinini. We Talk Football uyazama ukuthi uyayipromotha ngoba ebholeni singabangani, yabona. Engicela ukusho kini bafowethu ukuthi kukhona umbhalo engake ngawuthola, angisakhumbula ukuthi wabhala ubani, kodwa uthi we cannot attend each other's funeral. Ngingayiphinda, we cannot attend each other's funeral. If I attend your funeral, it means you won't attend mine. If you attend mine, I won't attend yours. So we are destined to leave this world. But the sad thing is, no one told us how are we going to depart. But we are going to depart. Some are going to be killed. Some are going to be involved in accidents. Some will kill themselves, suicides. But we will not attend each other's funeral. So right now it's Jaden's turn to leave us. It's very painful, but we cannot die because he died. Maybe if he got this message, maybe it's because his grandmother passed away and his friend, like we said. But us or anyone else, if you lose a friend, if you lose a family member, yes, it's good to cry. It's natural. You feel the pain. It shows you are a person. But do not take your life. I lost a brother when I was 9 years. I lost a sister in the early 2000s. And I did not heal until I met a friend on Facebook. His name is Stephen Mkwena. He's a teacher somewhere in Gauteng here. I have never met him even today, but I do have his number. We do chat. He said to me, do not kill yourself because your brother and your sister passed away. Those who have gone want to see us happy, who are remaining behind. Their only thing they want us, yes, we can cry for a moment, but they want to see us happy. So your sister and your brother, wherever they are still crying because they are not seeing you happy. So Jaden has left his family. He has left his colleagues at Mamelodi Sundowns. He has left his friends. And somebody else has lost a friend as well, has lost a son. But Jaden now wants to see them happy. So let us heal. With time we will heal. Let us honor him. Jersey number 8. I can see the flowers here of jersey number 8. Mamelodi Sundowns management and players, I'm very sorry. I'm with you. We are all with you. We are here, different teams with you. So be healed in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you.